Amazfit GTS 2 Mini New Version Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS 2 Mini New Version Smartwatch is a remarkable addition to the Amazfit product lineup. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, this smartwatch has left a lasting impression on me. Its sleek design, advanced features, and impressive functionality make it ideal for individuals of all age groups. One of the standout features of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini New Version Smartwatch is its 1.55-inch screen size. This generous display offers clear and vibrant visuals, making it easy to navigate through various functions and menus. Whether you're checking your messages, tracking your fitness goals, or simply glancing at the time, the screen delivers crisp and legible content. The built-in GPS feature is another highlight of this smartwatch. It allows users to accurately track their outdoor activities and monitor their running or cycling routes. This seamless integration of GPS technology provides valuable data for fitness enthusiasts. Features and impressive functionality make it ideal for individuals